Today I'm gonna make Som Tum. Som Tum is papaya salad. It's very popular in Thailand. The ingredients are green papaya, tomatoes, chilies, garlic, lime juice, fish sauce, palm sugar, and dried shrimp. We will add the garlic first, and then we will pound the garlic in the mortar. And then after this, we will add the chilies and pound together. And then we will add the dried shrimp and pound together. After that, we will add the palm sugar, and then we pound together. And then cut the lime half, and then squeeze the lime juice into to mix together. And then we will add some fish sauce and mix together. This time we will put the tomatoes and then pound together. The last step, we will put the papaya and then make together all ingredients together. You can see now that the papaya salad or Som Tum is ready to eat. It looks very delicious. My mouth watering now. This papaya salad or Som Tum is ready to eat now.